abstract class in 2 minutes with Python. Here I am not going to explain you abstract class in details. Rather, I will take you to the point where abstract class comes into the picture, right? I have opened Paint. So here if you see, we have one rectangle wherein we have different shapes, right? So you can consider these different type of shapes with your derived class, and we will be creating a one shape based class in order to create shapes, draw, and in order to fill the color. Okay, if I take any of the shape from here, so you will see a one shape, we have fill, so you can fill your color, and this color will be filled within shape only, right? If I take different type of shape and I click on fill, you will see the watercolor is only filled within the particular shape, right? So we are going to create a one base class which will have two methods. One is fill, second is draw. Okay, and we are going to create two different type of shapes class. Okay, rectangle and circle. I am using editor PyCharm, and Python version 3.12 is installed on my computer, right? So let me import ABC module quickly, right? I'm going to define base shape class quickly. Then I will inherit ABC class from this ABC module, right? A constructor which will take shape name, right? We'll say def draw. It will be our abstract method, right? Print self dot shape name, right? Fill with color, a abstract method. Base class is completed. Now we are going to create one specific shape, that is circle, one constructor that will call a base class constructor, right? And we will be passing, that is our circle class. Okay, this is time to implement the draw and fill function, right? From this parent class, just call parent draw function first. Circle shape class is done. We have inherited shape class. Now it is time to create object of this circle, right? Okay, if you're in the program, as soon as this draw function gets called with circle, so it comes here. First it executes the draw functionality of base class, this line, okay, and then it execute this line, right, drawing a circle. After that we execute fill method, that actually executing this circle shape class fill functionality, right, filling color within the circle. If you want to create another shape class, that is rectangle, that can be done easily, right? You just say rectangle, create a rectangle object, okay? Right. If you're in the program again, so you will get two type of outputs. First, it is creating circle, and then other it is creating rectangle. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.